Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your voice deeper in Voicemod. So want to sound cooler, more dramatic, or just having fun with a deeper voice? In this tutorial, you'll learn how to make your voice deeper using Voicemod in just a few simple steps. So you'll just need to launch the app, make sure that your microphone is properly connected and also selected. Then right after, use the search feature here onto the upper part and type in Voice Enhancer. So you should be able to see this one and the results. And then just go ahead and click onto it to open its advanced voice control. So you could just go ahead and adjust it here on the pitch slider. So you could drag the slider to the left to make your voice deeper. And you could try speaking as well so that you'll hear your voice drop in pitch. So you could just click onto this one to turn Hear Myself on. Should be able to hear your voice. So for extreme deepness, drag the slider more to the left. This one
to the left. And then just go back. And if you want to go back, just drag it to the right. So you could test it by clicking here. Mic test, mic test.
Mic test, mic test. And you could keep testing by speaking into your microphone. So adjust the pitch until you're happy with the depth of your voice. And that is just how easy you could deepen your voice using Voicemod on your device. And if you think this has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.